Hello, friends, and welcome back to another virtual story time with Miss Liz. And Oscar is with us again today. Hopefully he'll settle down and let us read our book. Today, I chose a story that has been a hit in my in-library story times, and I miss reading it with kids a lot because it's very interactive. Okay, down, buddy. We are gonna read it together now. It is called Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. And you're gonna see that this button plays a big role in the story. And if you have a copy of your own, it's super fun to be able to interact directly with the book. Let's read. Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. And I love the dedication in this book, so I'm gonna read it. It is something that Bill Cotter wrote to his parents. When you become an author, you're able to leave special messages inside a book for people that are meaningful to you. This one says, "To Mom and Dad for always encouraging me even when I was pushing their buttons." I think that's really sweet. So, on to the story. Here we go. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule in Larry's book. Don't push the button. Do you see a button on these pages? Yes, that red button right. Oh, I almost touched it. Larry just said the rule is don't push the button. So let's see what else is gonna happen. Seriously, don't even think about pushing that button, says Larry. How did he know that I was thinking about it? And maybe you were too. Ooh, it does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Larry seems a little conflicted right now about whether or not we should touch the button. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Since I'm here with the book, I'll help you out. Ready? Boop. What's gonna happen? Ah! Now I'm yellow, says Larry. Push it again. Okay, I'm gonna push the button again. Ready? Boop. Oh, now I'm yellow and polka dot, says Larry. Push it twice. I'm gonna push it twice. Boop, boop. Let's see what that'll do. Oh, now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. How many times is a bunch of times? I'll do an extra super lot just to be sure. Ready? Boop, 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 boop. Do you think that's enough? Should I stop pushing? Let's see what's gonna happen. Ready? Uh-oh. It looks like every time the button got pushed, it made another Larry monster. And now there are so many of them, they stretch as far as the eye can see. What does this mean? Larry has an idea. He says, quick, shake the book to get rid of the extra Larrys. I'm gonna shake it. Ready? Let's see if it works. Shake, 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 shake. Let's check. Oh, it's working. Almost, says Larry. Shake the book a little more. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Ah, there we go. All the extra Larrys are gone, but our Larry is still the wrong color and with polka dots. Larry has a little instruction manual. It says, so you've pushed the button. Maybe it'll tell us what to do to help get Larry back to his old purple color. He says, okay, here we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So I'll just give him a little tickle. Here we go. That tickles, he says. And look, it worked. He's purple again. Much better. Let's not push the button again, says Larry. Oh, but that was kind of fun though. Maybe just a couple more pushes. What do you think? Here we go. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see what that'll do. That is the end. Looks like Larry ended up with a couple more friends to play with. And that, my friends, is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I enjoyed reading it. In person, I have to say it is one of the most fun books to read. So, that's all for now, but I will see you all tomorrow for more great books. Thanks for watching.